Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use Malwarebytes, then watch this video. So the first thing we will do is we'll download the Malwarebytes installer from the internet by searching for Malwarebytes, and we will go to the official site of this Malwarebytes, and we will click on free download if we want it for free, and we will open the folder, right click, and we can run as administrator. Yes. Now it will come as install. Click on install. If you do not want to add the browser guard, I don't want to, I can write skip for now. And then it will complete the installation. Now, since the installation will take quite a long time, I will just show you the already pre-installed version that I have installed now. And once the installation gets over, it will come as open this app, open the app, and it will come to get started. Then you can either buy it or activate subscription or do it later. I'll do it later, and it will come as start trial. You can enter your email address. If you don't want to, then don't. Start trial, and you can click on got it, and it will come to welcome to the new Malwarebytes, get started. And then we can start scanning our system for malware. We will just click on scan, and it should scan the entire system for any malware. And that's about it, folks. If this video helped you, then subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.